Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is go in here. I've created a draft here, and basically what we're going to be using is a plugin called Local Pages Ninja. You can see here. Just open this one up, and when we get into the admin here, you can see it's got all of these cities here. So what we can do is, because there's quite a few of them here, I don't know if there's more than 200. Let me just check it actually, because it could be useful to know. If you go over 200, it can slow down and not post properly, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so we can count maybe down here how many we got, and it's gone over 270, 280. So basically if I tried to post all of them right now, it would give me a problem. So maybe better that I just take some of these to use as an example for now. There we go, that will do for now. And what we can do here is I can either delete these. Actually no, let's do it like this. Let's delete it, sort of. Just bear with me, I'll pause the video while I do. Okay, so I left myself just with about 10 or 11 cities here. Now what I want to do is come back over here and I'll just go into edit here. And I'll explain exactly what's going on here. So I've got free electric cigarette. Now with this little shortcode, curly bracket city and curly bracket again, then what I've got is that will use the city name according to the cities that I've got available in the database here. Now I've left myself only 10. And another thing I've done in here is put the city in here. You can use it again inside your actual content here. I've put a link to the homepage from here with the exact anchor text that I want. Now I'm going to remove this video. I don't think I want to use this one right now. I can always add later some videos and stuff like that, but I think what I want to do is just make sure I've got some good information here and give them a call to action as well. And I put the keyword in the last sentence, and I put the city again in the last sentence. Now another good thing here that we can do is have it in your title tags and stuff as well. And description, just call to action, give them some good benefits and features, advantages, etc. And then I can come up here and just save it as a draft. Now this should publish when I save it as a draft, but let's see what happens. Okay, so now that's been updated, what we can do is go and take a look what they look like. So basically just go to alt post, the computer's slow when I've got Camtasia on, so you just have to bear with me while I go through this. Make sure I've got everything right here. Sometimes you do have to save the draft 2 times for it to catch on, and I think I did make a mistake because I put say the instruction video, but really, you know, I'm not going to be doing all this myself. I'm going to get someone to do it for me. I've got an outsourced guy that I'm starting to use now who's very, very good at this kind of stuff. And basically what we need to do in here as well is to is to put WP unique on here. And with WP unique, it will keep everything a little bit better. And you can see here. hasn't caught on. Okay, I did have to press it twice, and I just come straight over here. When I pressed it again, you can see it's starting to catch on. Now these will keep adding and if I come over to the site here, you can see that some of these are starting to work now, like Kansas, Fort Lauderdale, etc. I just added those right now, and when we come down, you can see, actually let's just go over here, Fort Lauderdale, yeah, and you can see the video in here. So that gives me a little bit of geo-targeting as well, which is pretty cool. Now the way to do this properly, the way to use it properly, is you need to backlink a little bit to these pages, but the easiest way to do that is to go over to Fiverr.com and get someone maybe with an extra rumor blast, or you can get some other people who can do, just type in the keywords unlimited URLs and you will find some backlinking gigs that you can get done for unlimited URLs, and bookmarking as well. There's a guy who does that for you know, you might get 10 or 20 bookmarks for each. Sometimes that's enough, you know, depending on the location, for these kind of keywords once you've got into this kind of niche as well. And you know, that could be enough to put you into page 1, and then it's just nudging from that point forward to get you a little bit further forward up the search engines. Now what I need to do here really is, I don't want to leave it like this. It's just a little bit too much in your face with the images and things like that. I don't think it's a good idea to have so many adverts, so I might deactivate these two because they've not really got any calls to action on them. So I'll deactivate these as far as being adverts from CPA offers, and just keep them as images with the alt tags and stuff. And I will find perhaps a rotating banner plugin for the widget area here, so I can switch between one or the other. I want to keep this one because it does convert quite well according to the stats on Commission Junction. I will keep this little one down here as well, and that should be enough. That should give me 3 adverts per page, and it really is enough. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.